Ride With Me TV is going down.
Story ride, makeup, candy, glassy, throwback models, hood to classy, sitting high as Bambi, show out, cause we can't see. Boy, we ride nasty. Makeup, candy, glassy, throwback models, hood to classy, sitting high as Bambi, show out, cause we can't see. Boy, we ride nasty.
Yo, what up? It's DJ Big Big. We holding it down out here. The Dub Car Show. It is off the chain. It's some live cars out here. Hey, there's some women out here too. But right now, you grooving with my people. These my people. All right? Ride With Me TV. We be right back. Already.
Hey, what's going down? It's your boy Big Tex, designer Yum Shoes. We're at the Dub Car Show. D-Town holding it down. All the stars came out, you know what I'm saying? Checking out these boys' rides. And I'm out here, man. Speaking of Ride With Me TV, man, you know them boys hold it down, man. We do what we do. YumShoes.com. Check out the website. Keep up with your boy. That's what it is, man.
Hold up, man, it's your boy Chamillionaire that makes Messiah live in Dallas, Funky Town, Town. They hold me down every time I come through here. Just did a bit of the Dub Car Show, off the chain, everybody showing love. I'm gonna continue to do what I do, and that's represent Texas. You know I'ma hold it down. Military man, Ride With Me TV is what it is. Keep it locked, cause I said so.
I got Ride With Me TV.